Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to something very different, of course. So today we're rebuilding this 2015 Ford Transit XLT model, and of course this thing is a big one. So this car, received this truck last week, another last week basically, and mostly, of course, we were just pretty much seeing what some things we had to order, what some things we had to replace, of course, and what some things to fix as well. So this is pretty much just a picture of what we did. This is one the day, well, basically one the day we fixed it. We're trying to dismantle the doors, the panels, everything to see how much things that hit, such as the whole frame of the car, the whole chassis, also the door, the plastic pieces, and the cables and all that stuff. And good thing is all the door pieces inside, such as speaker and more cables in there, and that's the latches. All of them are good. It's just pretty much the door skin. It's just pretty much gonna be replaced. So pretty much it's gonna be a bunch of things to replace from this door to the other door as well. Also, the one thing, if you're taking off a door from a Ford Transit, mostly you gotta fish it all this cables through to get the door actually officially out. It makes it easier as well, and also there's pretty much the other chance to try to get the whole cable or the other cable out and pretty much just leave it just hanging from the door. It's mostly take off this little seatbelt buckle right here that connects here to the rear seats. This is pretty much a big torque set. Forget what number is it, but that's another way to take it off. But mostly just fish everything out, and makes it easier as well to not to get all those cables front of the way as well. But pretty much the one thing, I'm gonna show you the other photo, other side. This is mostly the main reason why it's here. Of course, this thing got pretty much hit in the rear end. I don't know how much it will be costing for all this thing, but sooner or later when the video, the series ends for Ford Transit, you'll probably see how much we spent and how much time it did. So, right now this is pretty much was Friday. This is how what the car was, and it's pretty. It was pretty not much damage, but still a big, well, not a big severe crash. It's just pretty much a minor crash. Well, I'm not saying minor. You could say medium crash. I don't want to say it's like a devastating crash or a minor crash. It's just a medium crash as well. All of this stuff as well. We thought we was gonna be replacing it, but also I have another photo, what we did as well today. Of course, because all this stuff, right now we got all the doors, all the plastic pieces, and everything ready to go to just redo fit replacement, and also just getting ready to all these things, to get a door painted and also replace all the parts and all that stuff as well, even the plastic pieces as well. So let me get another one as well. Just a little preview of the another car, just a little preview. And pretty much this is the door from pretty much from a dealer, and it fits perfectly fine. There was some little minor adjustments we had to do with this truck, but mostly, of course, we got everything pulled. This was pulled in, and also even this one was been even pulled for all the wrinkles on the quarter panel. So mostly, of course, I didn't took a picture because mostly it was a pretty cool thing to show as well, but I forgot to take a picture of it. And of course, it was pretty much raining a lot, so that's another thing as well. So, but this is pretty much the update. Just really what we're doing for this Ford Transit. You'll see more videos this week, and probably get this vehicle done this week as well. So be sure to tune for that as well. But anyways, just pretty much a little introduction of this Transit and some many things as well. And if you guys do like this video, please drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new, and then keep looking at the other videos as well. Also, just want to say, a big thanks to you guys of watching the videos as well. Mostly, of course, it's 30 to 20 views on the finishing touches, and I think it's pretty cool for me. I never expected to have that much views in a YouTube video that I make, so I really appreciate that. So anyways, I just want to say that, but also it just pretty much just wait for more videos, of course. And also another thing as well, you'll probably see the other car as well. I think you did see just a minor second when I just pull up to the other photo, but you'll see that in a some day. I don't know which is today or tomorrow. But anywho, guys, I just want to say a good night and have a good rest of your week.